front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. If you can't see it, select this icon at the top left corner and use Clipboard now. Either way, when you're ready, activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To edit anything from Clipboard, hold chosen bubble, choose Edit, and make any changes you want. Hit Save, and then paste it the same way. To get rid of anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and click on Delete. Quick tip, you can also use this pen at the top right corner to pick multiple things from Clipboard and manage it thanks to pin icon or bin one over here. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!